Oh, do we have something special for you today? This is the Linknal 18 gauge Brad Naylor 20 volt battery. Now, this was sent to me to test out, and I've got to tell you, it's different. Stick around. My name is Brent. This is Lift Free and Tool, and I cannot wait to test this tool out with you so we can get through this so you can find out there are alternatives out there. Let's jump into it. Listen, first impressions are the best thing, and this has the best packaging I have ever seen. It has plastic over top of it, and if we take a look down here, it's got safety glasses. It's got not one but two different 20 volt max lithium ion batteries. You've got your charger here. Obviously, you have your gun here, and look at this. You even have some of the nails down here. Look at this. Isn't that awesome? This is what I call a buyer's market, and the reason why is because just check out everything that's here. Look at this. Look how good this looks. Look at that. Ah, oh, man, I'll tell you what, it feels good, it looks good, the build quality feels good. But how does it perform? So the first thing that we have to do, let's go ahead and open this up and let's load some nails in. And if we just take a look here, I'm going to press this, pull it out, and oh, listen to that. Huh? All right. I love the packaging. You know, new startup companies, they always go the extra mile. You get this full, awesome packaging. I've got to tell you, they're eager, right? They want your business, and that is a buyer's market. All right, so we're going to put them in just like this. Drop them in. Look at that. It's in there. Now, if you look at the tip, right here, you are going to see the non-marring surface right there, so whenever you press it down. All right, let's take a quick look here. This button right here, if you see that, you press it down, you have your single and multiple shot, and I'll show you what that is in just a minute. On the back side, let's go ahead and take a look for this. You can see this is the air pressure, so you can actually pressurize and depressurize right through here if you need to do service. On both of these batteries, let's just see here, fully charged. This is pretty reminiscent of like a Porter cable. All right, so we're just gonna set this in here, just like that. I have 4 different pieces of wood. I have really nice plywood right here. This is more structural plywood, thinner veneer plywood. This is pine, and this is more of a cutting board right here, but it's soft wood. This is hard oak from cabinets, on the fascia of cabinets. Super hard stuff. And then this is pressure treated 4x4, hardened stuff, had it around for a while. We're going to see how this does. First thing that we want to use, and as we're doing this, as you can see right here, this is your pressure to go up and down. And then if you look right here, you actually have a extra non-marring. First things first, let's do the softwood. All right, look at that. It's flush. It looks great. Okay, so we have it on the least power. Let's go ahead and see how that does. Let's shoot it in. Okay, so it is proud of the wood right through here. That's all right. I love this light that it has here. Now we're going to go deeper. So we're going to adjust that down. Deeper, let's go here. Okay, that did pretty good. We're going to go deeper here again. All right, that did great. All right, that's as deep as it can go. Oh, wow, that countersunk it really deep. Okay. All right, so that's under the softer wood. This is more veneer, but it's harder. Let's go ahead and try this. Oh, yeah, that's awesome. All right, let's switch it to rapid fire. Hold down the trigger. Oh, that's awesome. That worked out so good. I didn't have to let off the trigger one time. Can we go into this wood right here? Here we go. Oh, yeah, no problem. Okay, the big test. This is oak, and you have pressure-treated wood underneath. I want to make sure I can sink it all the way down. Let's go. Wow. This is awesome. We sunk it all the way down. No problem. So listen, everyone, this is kind of like a startup company, and I'm not saying that this company is a startup company, but whenever companies start out new and you get it on the ground floor, you get a lot of times their best product because they want to put their best foot forward. And I think this Linknal is right there with it. And everywhere you look around this particular tool, it is just impressive. Everything about it that I've seen just makes sense. It has belt clips on both sides. It has great rubber over molding. It even has information panels right there on each side telling you the information you need to know about the types of nails that you can use. It comes with not one but two batteries, and the model number is P20S on these. And the batteries look awesome. I mean, everything is great, and it is a pressurized canister inside of here. Everything spring-loaded. Everything just feels good. It works good. It looks good. And the build quality, it actually feels really good. I'm not just saying that, and I know that this is a sponsored video, but I will tell you, I mean, it feels solid. It doesn't feel like cheap Chinesium or something like that. It just feels really good, and it even has a lot of these bumpers here, the rubber over molding. You know, it has the task light. This is all serviceable, and in fact, it actually came with extra parts through here. So these are different clogging parts, different little tools that if you do get a jam, it'll actually, you have the tools to take that apart and fix it. It has a tube, the actual tube that comes down that you can put the new nail through, or nail tube. There's probably a technical name, I just don't know it. But what I will say is that I recommend it. I think it is great. It's light, and it seems to do a fantastic job on a hardwood, softwood, layered wood, and different things like that. So I don't think you're going to have an issue with it, and it's not going to break the bank. Now, here is something that you can look forward to. If you jump down into the description, you are going to see that you get a discount. Hit my link down below. You get a discount. You get this for a great price, and you get to do all the projects that you really want to do and not have to worry about countersink punches and different nails and different hammers and all that stuff. You just get out there, you use this. And if you're not invested in a brand per se or on a tool platform, this is one that you would probably want to go for because the cost effectiveness is just awesome. So everyone, my name is Brent. This is Live Free and Tool, and I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did, please hit that like button. Don't forget to subscribe. Please hit that notification bell as well so you stay up to date with all the extreme videos that I'm doing, talking about tools in my shop. And I can't wait to see you in the next video. Go out there, go build something, make mistakes, learn from your mistakes, pass on the solutions to the next generation, and we will all be better for it at the end of the day. Take care, everybody.